This hadith is from Bukhari. كل مولود يولد على الفطرة فأبواه يهودانه أو ينصرانه أو يمجزانه. So my question is, if a child is born to a non-Muslim religion and then believes whatever his parents make him believe till his death, is there any fault with that person of believing what his parents make him believe?
The last?
No.
Yes.
I think I got it. He said if a child is born in a non-Muslim family, what will be his fate in the eyes of Allah if he will die following the faith of his parent, let's say Christian or...
Before growing up?
Yes, I mean, how Allah will consider him.
Before, if he dies young, as a baby.
If he lives all his life.
As a grown person.
Grown up.
Yes.
Then he will be treated according to ordinary people, everybody else. He succumbed to the pressure of environment and his parents, etc., and refused to believe in God or whatever his position is. He will be treated as an ordinary man because al-fitrate means there is an inbred teaching of Islam, of purity in him, which is conscience. So every child is born with a pure conscience. So if he grows up, his conscience will always tell him what is right and what is wrong. So if he chooses the wrong thing, he will be punished. If he chooses the right path, he will be rewarded for it. Right?